Welcome back to another video. We got some killer deals, OPE power tools at the low. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Just a short video today. Alright, to start here, $100 down from $219. Yes, this does include a battery. It is a killer deal on this one because I was tempted to just buy it just because of the battery. It does include a 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger, so that just makes it even worth it for that price. And then we saw this. This is $66 down from $139. This is a job site fan from the Cobalt. This is a hybrid fan. It is powered with an extension cord or the battery. Yeah, killer deal. 5-year warranty on this one, so pretty good deal on that one. And then we got $87 down from $219. This is Husqvarna 130C gas trimmer. Unfortunately, that was not available to buy, but you may look at it at your store, see if they still have it. But they had this one, $37 down from $149. Killer deal on that one as well. Then they had this Husqvarna. That's in this the item number there, missing some parts according to what it says here. Returned. I'm pretty sure it works. You guys could get a better deal than $199. I'm pretty sure that one. Down from $299. You got $99 for a blower. So that's it right there. And then we got some cheers here for $50 down from $89.98. That is the item there. It says it's used. It was returned. So lots of good deals on these. And then you got a chainsaw. This is a 14-inch 8 amp hour or 8 amp chainsaw for $39.99. So that's pretty good deal on that one. If you just need to plug something in and just get it done. 1/4 pole saw for $59. 8 amp. And then you got these on clearance, a pin and washer. So if you guys got the pass load nailers. And then you got some hard hats here on clearance for $667, down from $1128. This one's down to $20.22. And then you got a hard hat for $2.87. You got the Linksys dual band Wi-Fi router, $39 down from $99. This is a really good deal on this one. Got some trash cans on sale if you guys doing yard work now that the fall's coming, and same thing with this yard, shovels and rakes. So there's just a whole bunch to look at. The whole wall was pretty much with yellow tags, so I did not go over all of it, but you guys can see what it looks like here. Lots of good stuff. Got a ceiling fan here for $51. A backpack igloo, $41. It's pretty nice now that the weather's getting cooler. $54 down from $79. A rack for the ladder. And then you got these mowers. You got this the Craftsman. This one's on clearance. It's $165 down from $329. This is it's damaged. So rear height adjuster is damaged. I don't know how bad this is damaged. It looks pretty good to me. However, I did see battery and charger in there. This one's down to $300, down from $449. It says does not run. I have no idea if this is good or not, but I guess it probably does run, but just doesn't have a battery. That's probably, and I did look, and I did not see a battery, so that's why it probably doesn't run, because it doesn't have a battery. I did see the charger. And then we got some toolboxes, mainly for the DIY or somebody on a budget that wants to start here for $129. Will get you going there. Not necessarily the best toolboxes. There's some other ones if you want to spend a little bit more. Just gonna get the Cobalts. And then you got these on clearance for $808. I personally think these are way overpriced, but if they're gonna go down in price, somebody might enjoy them. You got $747 for a heavy duty blade, and then you got some shears here. The Fiskars Pro. That's pretty nice. $1577 down from $21.98. These are 10-inch. Then you got some smaller ones, some 8-inch, $11 down from $14.98. These are really nice. And then you got some more shears here for the Craftsman, so $12.67. down from $16.98. So these are all on clearance. Same thing with these on the bottom. And then we got the 3-pack, which is even a better deal for $31. Basically $10 a piece. We got a router. This is a Colt compact router for $123, down from $149 from the Bosch. We got a table saw. This is a really nice table saw for $449. I know a lot of you were getting some crazy deals on table saws. Got the buy one get one free, so $129 will get you a free tool. Definitely check these out. These are all brushless tools. These tools do have DeWalt DNA, so keep that in mind when you're buying these. Pretty good deals, and this runs to November the 1st, so you guys still got some time to get those deals. And then you got these from the Cobalts. Again, the toolboxes for $179. I think it's a great deal. Those are pro level toolboxes, and then you got the impact driver and drill driver for $149. Pretty dang good deals. And then talking about good deals, you got this on clearance. This is a table saw. I'm pretty sure this is gonna drop even lower. So $349 was regular price. Now it's $279. And then talking about some more great deals, buy one get one free. You guys are able to get a free tool with the purchase of the Power Stack 5 hour battery starter pack. $279 will get you a free tool. You got the radio, you got the SDS, angle grinder, impact wrench, hammer drill, bunch of tools. And then we got the clans here. I'm not gonna show you guys all the clans because I always do show you guys, but I'll show you guys the inside of this toolbox. Pretty nice. I really like the orange. I think it's easier to see your stuff inside. Let's have a measuring device there, and then $99, and then your choice here for $149. Got the oscillating tool, or you can get the impact driver kit. $14.98 down from $19.98. A drill drive set for 20 piece. It does include some drill driving bits and 2-inch bits and some drilling. And then talking about circular saws, we got these down to $2.99 with the stacked battery, the lithium stacked batteries. So those are really good deals on those. And then we got the older saw for $189. We got a hammer drill here for $119, down from $179. Another drill here for $169 does include the power stack. We got the impact driver there, for the XR for $99, and then you got another XR for $169 with the power stack. And then same thing with these deals, but there's some more tools included, including that that tripod light that they call it. And then you got another light there. And then you got the Cobalts buy one get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left. Those are all kits, by the way. And on the right, you get a free bear tool. So pretty good deals. Those are all brushless tools. Yeah, so definitely check those out. Alright, so this one's $149. It is a 4-tool combo kit. These are not brushless tools, but however, somebody just starting out or as a gift, this is a great piece to give them. A great gift. So $149 down from $199. That is the combo kit that we saw there at the bottom. We got these new toolboxes. These are really small toolboxes, maybe great for the kids, or you want to keep something on the garage, something smaller. These are great deals for just added to your toolbox on top for just under $20 basically. And then we got this $69.98 for 88-piece mechanics tool set. This one's made in the USA. Some people were just hyping these out. They were filling up their carts with made in the USA. I don't know why. I don't know exactly, just because they were limited maybe. All right, so we got these. These are the new ones. These are the new it says the overdrive. That's what they call it now. So it's crazy what they did. I think they just changed the colors of the cases and they just called them overdrive basically to charge you more money. But according to this, it does have a better ratchet. It does have a better just a better tool inside, not just the case. So, but personally, I think they're the same. A couple degrees is not gonna make a difference. A 2.5x is not gonna make a whole lot of difference. Might as well save your money and buy something like this at the bottom. This one's $79, not a bad deal for 83 pieces. And then we got the $59 smaller kit there on the right. And I'll show you guys that in a second once I pull it out. There you go. We got some nice sockets, a ratchet and extension. And then we got this one for $49. It's a 59 piece. It's a 3/8 drive. made in the USA, so pretty good deal on this one. And guys, that's it. Just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.